Good day, can you please tell me about yourself?
Good morning, sir. I'm Anjumate Grinio, 27 years old, married. I have two kids, 8 years old girl and 6 years old boy. I live in Barangay Takay, Buena Vista, Guimaras. I have two brothers and three sisters. I am the eldest in the family. I am a college graduate.
Okay, thank you. And since you have two kids, are you the one who is taking care of them since they were born?
Yes, sir.
And who will take care of them when you work abroad?
My husband, sir.
Do you have work experience abroad before?
No, sir. Only here in the Philippines for 4 years to a couple and a newborn baby boy.
And what is your duties in the family?
My duties are cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, and go to the market. And my main responsibility is to take care of the newborn.
Okay, and are you the one who do the cooking also?
Yes, sir.
And how would you describe your employers?
They are good, sir.
And is there another helper in your previous employer?
No, sir.
And how would you describe yourself as a worker?
I am a hard worker, honest, and trustworthy, sir.
And are you a happy person too?
Yes, sir.
And do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Did you undergo any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Are you under special medication right now?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I work abroad to provide the financial needs of my family.
Okay, and are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to take care of the baby?
Yes, sir.
What will you do if the baby is sick? It did not stop crying.
I will check if the baby is hungry, then I will feed the baby.
Okay, thank you. And what will you do if the children is naughty or will not listen to you?
I will talk to them slowly and nicely and explain to them.
Okay, and can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you please sing it?
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed.
Okay, thank you. And do you have a food allergy?
No, sir.
And are you willing to share with the kids, elder or other helper?
Yes, sir.
Are you okay if your day off is not on Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, sir.
Would you accept no day off but employer will pay
Yes,
instead? And if you're homesick, would you break your contract and insist to return home?
No, sir. I will just focus on my work, sir.
Okay, and would you like to work with your employer who has many children?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Do you have a full, do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
And do you have a full consent to your family or husband to work abroad?
Yes, sir.
Can you please say a short message to your future employer?
Good day to my future employers. If you choose me to be your domestic helper, I promise that I'll be trustworthy, honest, and I can work with least supervision. Good day. Thank you.
Okay, and since you are a college graduate, do you know how to tutor kids with their homeworks?
Yes, sir.
And do you promise that you will take good care of your employer's children as your own child?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and that's all for today, and thank you for coming.
Thank you.